At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, in another 1 year, Julian Robinson explained how the $1 billion I go spend taking this.
Or the $1 billion fund. And I just want to provide some clarity because there's some misconception that is one set of people were doing. This fund is for the entire creative industry. If you're a musician, if you're a filmmaker, if you're a potter, if you're a painter, if you're setting up a business to create spaces that people can have sessions in, this fund is here for you. So don't watch the space, don't follow misinformation. We cater to every single person. So once we set this up, we'll outline the criteria, how you apply, where you apply. We are committed to building the entire creative industry because this is what has put Jamaica on the map. This is what Jamaica is famous for. And we want Jamaica to be famous for not just Bob Marley, but there are so many talented people. This fund is the opportunity for you. I hear the
Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? So me I beg you, don't listen to the bag of noise. Don't listen to the Jamaica Labour Party and the lab rats them because them not have no sense. Them just bad mind and envious. Listen to the man with the plan, and that is Julian Robinson, our shadow finance minister, and Mark Golden. And don't forget, my people, tomorrow is Mark Golden budget presentation. Big day for Mark Golden tomorrow. So I want everybody to tune in. My people, taking this. There's a call for Jamaicans to consider the recent taxation history of both the People's National Party and Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, when they are to decide which party should form the next government. My wisdom warriors, Jamaican people were tuning to hot off of the press. They say there's no new taxes. That them say, don't it? But if you ask them, how comes cost of living is so high? There is no new taxes, but there is additional costs. Don't let them trick you. Don't let them trick you. The only people that is benefiting from this taxation business is the rich people. Poor people not benefit nothing. Because right now, everything is sky high. Everything is sky high. And I'm calling on all Jamaicans. When uno and uno way I go vote, just remember say food is high, cost of living is high. So no listen to them when them talk about taxation. No listen to them. Every minute me hear them talk about how PJ Patterson and Portia Simpson tax people done to handcart man and one bag of nonsense. But my Jamaicans, look how much handcart people come out underneath the JLP and then take people them things and dash them down and take it away. Uno remember the abuse what the people them suffer just for make a living, just for make ends meet. Uno no remember how the police they usually go there and mash up the people them food stuff, mash up the people them clothes. Come on, Jamaica, remember these things, Don't forget. We only see changes since Mayor Swaby take over down at KSAMC. That's when we see changes. So don't listen to the noise because them talk about taxation. But listen. The only persons not getting taxed is the rich people. The only persons not getting taxed is the rich people. Because enough of the Jamaica Labour Party MP, them my wisdom warriors between me and Uno, enough of them was sit down in a parliament over the JLP side. A whole heap of them have license for import food, have license for import onions. Hey, my wisdom warriors, this is why them talk about taxation. This is why, because of them a benefit, not we. Look into yourself. Talk it to Jamaican people. I want to come together and look into yourself. When you go market, when you go buy clothes, when you go buy equipment, just look into yourself. When you go and buy electronic stuff, look into yourself. Things not expensive, cost of living not high. So this is to show you that there is no new tax, but there is additional costs. And the trick that what them do now, say for example, yeah, them a sell something for me, just I give you an example, $550. Then say, all right, we're not going to put no tax on the $550, you know, but what we are going to do, yeah, we just going to put everything on a flat rate. We are going to add something which is additional cost. We are going to bring it to $650. You understand me, my wisdom warrior? So the $650 now, that is the additional cost. So it make no sense them put a no tax on that, because then don't add the cost to it already. You have to look into it. It's the trick. It's the trick. Damian Crawford talk about it. Me show you yesterday, last night, in the last video when me post yesterday. If you go back and check the levels, we hear Damian Crawford talk about it. There is no new tax, but there's additional cost. And the trick, Jamaica, you have to wake up. You have to wake up, because you murmur and complain every single day. This is expensive. Me can't bother with Jamaica. This is too high. That is too high. It is a trick. There's no new tax. But there is additional costs, and this is what me want you guys to understand. This is why you complain every day that inflation is high. This is the whole reason, because there's additional costs. Don't make them trick you. Anyway, my people, tell me what you think. Hear this. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has responded sharply to former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson for his recent scathing assessment of the present government's stewardship of the country's affairs. Last month, Mr. Patterson, in his address at the People's National Party Region 6 Forum, said the administration of Dr. Holness' Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, had done a poor job at managing the country's road network, health system, and reducing poverty. And it's just the truth. It is just the truth. A true PG attack. My wisdom warriors, a true PG Patterson is talking, and a born angel. A born angel. Andrew now do nothing for Jamaican people. Everything want to say Andrew Holness do is private-public partnership. Every single thing. Every single thing Andrew Holness do is for private investors. Andrew Holness no business with we. Andrew Holness no business with we. So we have a business with ourselves. So when you come out now, Andrew Holness, and I can attack PG Patterson, this is to show you that you is going down the wrong road. You know say you go down the wrong road. And you not have nothing for campaign pan. You not have nothing for talk about. Nothing you not have pan the PNP for talk about. Not a damn thing. This is why you come out and talk about PJ. And if Jamaican people really listen to you, and I say how healthcare is good, and I say the road network is good, and I say reducing poverty is good, those people are lying to themselves. Those people, if Jamaican people really come out and say there's changes in the healthcare system, there's changes with the road network, and changes within reducing poverty, listen to me, man. These people wicked and lie, just like you, Andrew Holness. You understand? These people wicked and lie. If I never fit TikTok, the same TikTok where on the labor right a cost, the same TikTok, if I never fit TikTok, whole heap of people wanna eat. Whole heap of people. And when I hear Julian Robinson came out and said I'm gonna put aside $1 billion for TikTok and for the industry, not only TikTok. Yeah, but for the industry, where the film and them something there. Yeah, I'm saying that is a good idea. That is a good idea. Something where the government never dare think about. Knowingly, so them all them talk about is digital. Seriously. And it just burn the whole of them, my wisdom warriors. It burn them. Because they not have no vision. And they not have no ideas. All them do a thief Mark Golden ideas and take it a chat boy for them ideas. And we all know, including your little lab rats them know say Mark Golden idea Andrew Holness a thief. And Favour Williams too, a thief, because you not gonna get away with it, you know. Not because you look all and crinkle up. Things say we not gonna cuss out your backside over here. We're gonna cuss out your backside. You understand? You are gonna drag. When you come out with foolishness, Favour Williams, we are gonna drag your hall and pull your all out. We don't care. That we are gonna do all over social media. We're not business. You understand? We not care how you want look. We not care if you want all and you're slow. We not care. Just like Uno no have no compassion against the Jamaican people, we not gonna have no compassion when it come to you, Favour Williams, because you are make a fool out of yourself. You make Andrew Wallace turn you in a one monster. And you see who all Uno? The whole of Uno, man. The whole of Uno. God not sleep. God go deal with Uno one by one. Because you know go on like you care about Jamaican people. But really and truly, Uno don't care about Jamaican people. Look on the apartment them where you build up, Andrew Wallace. Look on the apartment them where you build up. It's not for Jamaican people. It's for stakeholders. Everything you talk about are stakeholders and investors. Me never hear you chat about Jamaican people. Never. Everything where you build, stakeholders, investors. Even the prison was just up and down a from there. Stakeholders, private public partnership. What does that mean? That means the prisoners have to go in there, no? That the prison they have to go full up, you know. Hey, you wanna stay there? All if you listen, Jamaican people, me really feel sorry for myself, you know. Seriously. Because all these prisons where Andrew Holness are bail, prisoners have to go in there, you know. Yeah, can money have to make because it's private public partnership prison. Wanna hear that? So on the stay there follow Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness is a liar. That's why him and none of the Caribbean leaders them not get on. That's why they not get on. Because they know say he's a corrupted government. My wisdom warriors, me have a little clippings when I want to listen to. Somebody send it to me. Vegas and him little scraps elaborates them. Then sit down over TikTok telling lies. Mark Golden. I want to just listen to this and then we are going to elaborate.
Surprise, say, he come like people never bother go vote. The PMP them, I don't know where did it happen. Because when we were driving, we drive out the whole Jamaica when the thing called, I go pick up my son down at St. Mary and we carry him go all the way down at Mobile. And I drive around and come through. And I actually saw more comrades out there at a party, you know.
I tell you something. You say something which is very important, and from there I think about it. I see a video earlier where Mark Golden say, when Terry Long said the straight man we come run against him, I go wiggle. And I know say Mark Golden was low, but at the first time ever me hear Mark Golden speak, I wonder if AI.
My wisdom warriors, when I hear them a liar now, this a girl a tell upon poor Mark Golden. Me tell you say the labor right them lie and then workless and then think say everybody and them are the same thing. When you hear this a girl this lab rat I tell lie upon poor Mark Golden. But when Terra Long say Mark Golden, Jesus Christ. Mark Golden, you hear how them wicked and lie? Jesus mercy. Me can't believe me a own a blouse and skirt over TikTok. Me so come over there, me just wait till campaign near, cause me a campaign on TikTok. Me just hold on there. Me a own a nastiness over there. My wisdom warriors. You can imagine? Mark Golden doesn't talk like that. And how Mark Golden low. Cope on this ya dirty wretch here. But low. Go talk about a leader. Are you a leader low? Because him a walk and a thief everybody land. Are your leader walk and a thief everybody land, girl? Your leader. Your leader collect 1.5 billion and how much million for promote Batmanism in Jamaica. That no low? That no low? So you come out and I can't tell lie about Mark Golden. You see them sitting here, my wisdom warriors, how people wicked I tell lie about Mark Golden? Mighty God, Mark Golden don't speak like that. Mark Golden don't speak like that. She lie. Nobody else not here, you know. No, hey, and then can make up some things, you see? They wicked. Jesus mercy. Me didn't want to hear how the labor right them lie and wicked. Me people, when me open my phone and me see it, Mr. Mighty God, I what this now them a send come give me. I start listen. All Vegas in my one next one. I talk about in a COVID in say be your comrades a party. If friga lie, comrades hardly come out during COVID. Them hardly come out. Them hardly come out. So me no know where my talk say. And I talk about how in drive out the whole of Jamaica. Why they somebody can drive in drive from what? From up the line to St. Mary or to Mobile, something like that, he must say. And you drive out the whole of Jamaica? Jesus mercy. You come like Vegas start back again. It look like he want a next last out. It look like he want a next last out. And my wisdom warriors, it appears to me like him a go on people platform, you know, when they talk about Mark Golden pan the download. You know, them vibe they look like a that him a do. Because when I really see my put out nothing about Mark Golden. Remember, you know, he usually put out peer things, you know, for Marky G. And now he just stop after the lawsuit business. But when I hear this lady come out and I talk about how Mark Golden low, I want to say some things, as in my wisdom warriors. I want to say some things, but me have to hold my tongue. Me I tell you, me have to hold my tongue. About when Mark Golden, the straight man, when Terrell Lang see the straight man, when Mark Golden I go send over there. Yeah? How Terrell Lang I go wiggle. Say Mark Golden say that. Jesus! Hey, somehow no want some big stone. You don't think a joke? Somehow no serve no purpose for land. No for uno. Because uno now have no ambition. Uno just think say uno everybody are the same. PNP and lab rats is not the same. Uno keep thinking for some reason that they are the same, but no, PNP is nothing like Uno. PNP is nothing like Uno. Look on Everall Warmington. You better you say Everall Warmington say something like that. Don't call up our opposition leader name, dirty girl. Don't call up and listen. Me even take time with you, you know. Me even take time with you. My wisdom warriors, Uno tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.